So hello and namaste, this is Dr. Gaurang here, and I'm here to invite you for our new course on Repertory. This course starts in June. It's a very special course because it's going to be 20 sessions, 30 hours, and we are inviting homeopaths across the world. Actually, we have homeopaths like Jeremy Sher, Dr. Gajanan, Dr. Borkar, Dr. Mayuresh, myself. So this course starts in June and it will extend for 3 to 4 months. You will get an access for this course for entire next 2 years. You can watch it the way you want, how you want. The price for the course is extremely minimal. It's a certificate course. You will be learning all different types of repertories and mastering the repertory, because remember that every homeopathic genius master was once a repertory student. So with that idea, for last few years we wanted to do this course, but now we are going to have it here. So I invite you for this course. Welcome. You have to write an email on the email ID given below, gaurang@gmail.com. Thank you.